Hello and welcome to Pating Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Prebuilt CyberPowerPC Gamer Surpreme PC model SLC8314A2. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this pre-built gaming PC and get it for yourself at an amazing price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Hey there gamers, today we're jumping into the world of high-performance gaming PCs with the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme Liquid Cooled Gaming PC. If you're a serious gamer looking to dominate the virtual battlegrounds, this pre-built gaming PC might just be the weapon you need. Before we jump into the juicy details, let's see what's inside the box. It comes with a desktop tower itself, a sleek gaming keyboard, a comfortable RGB 7-color mouse, and the essential power cord. Nice package. Now here are the pros. The jaw-dropping performance with an AMD Ryzen 9 7950X 16-core processor clocked at a blazing 4.5 GHz and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 24GB graphics card. This PC is a powerhouse capable of handling the most demanding games and applications with ease. Number 2 is a smooth multitasking. 16GB of DDR5 RAM ensures lag-free multitasking, making it ideal for gamers who like to keep multiple tabs, streaming, and applications open while gaming. Number 3 is the Gamer Supreme series is optimized for gaming at ultra-high settings and high resolution, giving you a jaw-dropping visual experience, silky smooth frame rates. Number 4 is it's VR ready. Whether you're a fan of HTC, Vive, or Oculus Rift, this PC is VR ready, immersing you in a stunning virtual reality world. Number 5 is ample storage. With a generous 2TB NVMe SSD and an additional 2TB hard disk drive, you won't have to worry about running out of space for your games, videos, and other data. Number 6 is the liquid cooling. The special feature of liquid cooling ensures that the CPU stays frosty even during intense gaming sessions, maximizing performance and longevity. Number 7 is the tempered glass side panel. Show off your gaming beast to the world. The tempered glass side case panel allows you to display your RGB lit components in all their glory. Number 8 is the custom RGB case lighting. Personalize your gaming setup for a custom RGB case lighting, adding a vibrant touch to your gaming rig. Number 9 is the wireless connectivity. Enjoy lag-free online gaming with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and stay connected with friends and teammates. Number 10 is the 1-year warranty. Rest easy with 1-year parts and labor warranty and free lifetime technical support, ensuring that you're covered if any issue arises. The cons, it's heavy. With all that power comes a bit of weight. At 48 pounds, this PC is not the lightest, but it's a small trade-off for the performance you're getting. In conclusion, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme Liquid Cooled Gaming PC is an enthusiast level gaming beast. If you're serious about gaming and want a pre-built system that can handle anything you throw at it, this PC is perfect for your fit. With a top-of-the-line components, liquid cooling, and stunning RGB lighting, it's a dream come true for gamers. So why wait? Level up your gaming experience with a CyberPowerPC pre-built gaming PC. And if you want to get it at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.